So on Amazon you can come across some listings where there will be a badge called limited time deal. So I myself use this badge on my listing several times, especially when I am launching the product, when I am ranking my product to the first page. So how you can do it is you just have to go to the listing creation option, and in their offer tab, and there you can see three prices. One is list price, which is nothing but MRP, and second one is your price, at which price you are actually selling, and the third option is sale price. So what you have to do is, obviously your price will be less than MRP, which is list price. So you have to run a sale. The sale price should be less than your price, and you have to set a start date and end date. So I usually run it for 3 to 4 days. So you can select it accordingly, and then click on save and finish. So in around 15 minutes, that limited time badge will appear on your listing. So if you are interested more into Amazon FBA, private labeling, so you can follow my YouTube channel. Actually, I have created several playlists there. You can check out my resources in my description or else in my bio. So follow for more.